In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Cheddar app discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Cheddar app discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called WordPenny, and as you can see, we have a list of different type of promo codes that you can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this 128% discount of all Cheddar app plans, simply select show coupon code from right here, and as you can see, the promo code is going to load up right here, as you can see on my screen. So I'm going to wait up. And after that, you will see right here this pop-up screen. Simply tap on that pop-up screen. And this is the promo code right here. You can copy this promo code and you can apply this one on your next purchase to get the 20% discount. Also, we have this website right here, which is called knowhere.com. And as you can see, you also have some promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this $2 of discount, which is also verified, simply select the option get this code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can simply tap right here to copy this promo code, and you can apply this one on your next purchase so that you can get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.